So today we're going to talk about finding the sale price. So if I give you the original price of an item and it's on sale, then we're going to be finding what is that sale price. And that's something that a lot of people definitely will be doing because the biggest shopping day of the year is coming up in a couple weeks. And then we are also going to find the percent a number changes, okay? The percent a number changes. A number can either increase or decrease, and we'll figure out if it's a percent of increase or a percent of decrease. All right, so first of all is finding the sale price. So let's say that you have an item that is original price is $92 and it's on sale, maybe they're doing some kind of clearance, on sale for 75% off. We want to know what is the sale price. And this takes 2 steps to do, okay? So again, go ahead and write that real quick. The original price is $92. It's on sale for 75% off. What is the sale price? So again, we have 2 steps that we need to complete. The first step is we're going to find the percent of the original price. So I'm going to do 75% of $92. How would I do 75% of $92? How would I put that in my calculator? 0.75 times 92. So everyone should have a calculator and can do that. What is it? $69. That is not the answer yet. This is how much you are saving. Okay, again, they're taking 75% off. If they're taking it off, what operation in math is that? Subtraction. So the second step then is that we need to take the original price, $92, and we need to subtract from that the $69, the amount that you're saving, and this will be the new price, the sale price, which is $23. So once again, we found 75% of the original price, which was $69. That is how much we're saving. That's how much they're taking off. So we're taking the original price minus $69 and getting $23. Okay? So I'm going to give you one to try. Let's say that the original price is $70. And you're getting 60% off. The original price is $70 and you're getting 60% off. I want to know what is the sale price. Sometimes they'll call that what is the price after discount or what is the new price. So there's different ways that they could phrase it. So again, do those 2 steps. Find out how much money they are taking off, and then find out your sale price. All right, so first of all, we need to find 60% of $70. Which you would, in your calculator, do 0.60 or just 0.6 times 70. And that gives you $42. And again, that's how much you are saving. You're saving $42. So now you take the original price minus the amount that you're saving, $42, and it's going to give us a sale price of we're taking it off. So subtracting $28. All right. So any questions about these types of problems? So we're going to go ahead and move on to finding the percent of increase or the percent of decrease. So this is known as the percent of change. And whether it is an increase or a decrease, it doesn't really matter, okay? It doesn't matter if it's an increase or a decrease, you use the same steps. So first of all, let's say that when you get a job, your salary starts out at $500. And after working at that job for a year, you are now making a new salary of $645. So what I want to know, first of all, is this an increase or a decrease? Okay, so hopefully that answer was pretty obvious, right? Because the amount went up. Okay, so this is going to be a percent of increase. The first step that we need to do to figure out how much, what percent, not just how much money, but what percent it increased, is that we're going to find the difference. What do you do when you find the difference in numbers? Subtract. All right, so find the difference. Now, in this one, don't do 500 minus 645. I don't want to get any negative numbers. If you get negatives, it'll just throw you off. So always do the bigger number minus the smaller number. And that is 145, correct? So the salary increased to $145. Now, second step, this is the most important step. We're going to take the difference divided by the original amount. That's super important. So no matter if it's an increase or a decrease, you're taking the difference divided by the original. So in this problem, the difference was 145. And the original price, the original salary was $500. So 145 divided by 500. You have to put it in your calculator in that order. 0.29. Now, your calculator gives you decimal form, so then the last step is to change the decimal to a percent. Convert to percent. So again, 0.29 written as a percent is what? 29%. So this was a 29% increase in the amount. It's pretty good. For only working there a year, that's really good. 29% increase. So again, you find the difference, you take the difference divided by the original, and then you change that answer to a percentage. Let's do one more of those, okay? Let's say that the original, what's wrong? The original is 300, and the new amount is 180. So maybe, well, this doesn't have to be salary. Maybe something was on sale, okay? So we could find how much it was discounted, okay? So we obviously see that this is a decrease, right? Now follow those same 3 steps that we used in the last problem, and you figure out what percent did it decrease. Find the difference, take the difference divided by the original, and then change it into a percent. Find the difference, do the difference divided by the original, and then change it into percent form. So the difference is 120. It decreased by 120. Second step is taking the difference, 120, divided by, always, the original. Whether it's the big number or small number, doesn't matter. It's always the original amount, the starting amount. So when you do 120 divided by 300, what did you all get? Didn't your calculator probably say 0.4? Yeah. So you got 0.4 in your calculator. Now we have to change 0.4 to a percent. Please be very careful. I have a feeling some people wrote 4% and some people wrote 40%. When you change a decimal to a percent, remember you have to move it 2 places. So this is going to become 40%. So this is like if this was an item that was on sale, it was originally $300, it's on sale for $180. That was a 40% discount. Okay? Make sense what we're doing? All right. So your IXL that I'd like for you to work on, use your calculator. Instead of having like a paper pencil assignment, you're going to be working on this. Some of you may even have this one finished. Who knows? From 6th grade. So the first one is 6th grade V5. And it's finding the sale price. And again, use your calculator. And the second one is 7th grade L9. And that's finding the percent of change, whether percent of increase or percent of decrease.